Ooh, so Crescent City went up a bit, and then it's now dropping.
At least on a camera. At least we have one that we could actually look down onto the beach with. Actually
so it went up. It was about
in real time. This is
a foot
high.
high.
I mean, live as it is.
Then it's dropping.
It's 9:55 at night right now. See, the waves are not breaking as significantly as they were earlier.
You know, if you look at what happened with
see how these waves are propagating slower now. It looks like the water
initially
might
went
be getting slowly
3.8
receding.
and it went down. And it
Probably
went
what
up
I'm
again.
thinking is happening.
Over 5 feet, and it went down. Now it's going back again.
Water might be attempting to recede. It could be.
Did we hit? Are we off on Facebook yet?
Water
Oh,
did jump
if you're watching on
past this
Facebook,
black line.
I guess I'll
Pretty high over
Facebook,
here,
we're
though.
almost at 8 hours. Facebook ends the stream in 8 hours. So Facebook, I don't know how much longer we're going to go, but I'll restart the stream on
You can
Facebook.
tell the sand color
I'll
where the
restart
water
the
has
stream on
been and
Facebook.
where it hasn't been.
Stay a
And it
couple
looks
more.
like the dark shading of sand here is pulling back gradually.
Oh, also Monterey, California.
That was easy.
The tsunami has arrived there, guys. Let me show you.
Now, that's not now. See what this one has to tell us.
Look, it's Monterey. Oh my gosh, Monterey, California.
The tsunami here hit already. I'm
Currently,
sure
the
it
water
did now.
level is 0.6 feet, about a half a foot above where it should be.
Full screen. This is another camera.
I don't think Monterey. I think they're in the
I
advisories.
really like this Waikiki beach.
White seas
It's
are really beautiful.
Look at the water receding now. Look at
Oh,
the
thanks
water
to
receding.
Jessica Link for the stars.
Remember
Thank
where
you,
our
Jessica.
black line was?
Susan X for the stars. Thank you, Susan.
Where the water was. Water's actually a little lower.
By the way, quick
Waves
shout
are
out
not
to
crashing as significant.
the Devil Dog over there. Which thank you, Chairman El Mad.
Water's not
I gotta say,
receding.
given that this was a
normal
big
wave activity.
so far, given the lack, I mean, there was the video of some
Was
coastal
receding
flooding.
a little bit, just a little bit, and that little
I
bit.
have not heard significant damage.
Again, this is not like I mean, if I were there, I would see a big difference. It's already arriving in Monterey, California, with the water level there. Actually, you know what? I just realized.
Oh, look, this is North Spit, California, Northern California. This is in
I think I got a camera. I just thought of Avila Beach. Avila Beach.
certainly, we can definitely say the tsunami has reached California. Seismograph started around right
That was easy.
There we
U.S.
go.
Dodgers had some fun in Hilo, Seaside Hotel. Yeah, I already mentioned the flooding in Hilo.
And their stuff isn't purchased as much. They've got the China overhang, they've got the manufacturing questions, and they have the AI adoption that hasn't come to fruition in the same kind of way. That is going to be a real wild card in otherwise a tech bonanza.